it's Steffi D. Welcome back to Steffi D Creates. If you like to redecorate your home like I do, but hate how much it costs, I'm going to be sharing one of my favorite home decorating hacks with you. It's so cheap and so easy to make and allows you to redecorate whenever you want without breaking the bank. We're going to be making bandana pillows. You can even get these bandanas from the dollar store to add a little bit of color to your home. As always, full instructions will be on my blog, steffidcreates.com. And don't forget to click the subscribe button so you can stay up to date and be first to know about new Steffi D Creates videos. I am so excited to share this hack with you, so come craft with me, Steffi D. Here's what you're going to need: 2 bandanas, a needle and thread, pins, scissors, and some pillow stuffing. We're gonna start by unfolding our bandanas, and we want the insides to go on the outside. You're gonna lay this with pattern side up, and then take your second bandana and match up the way your patterns are going. So I have zigzags, so I'm gonna make sure that my zigzags are going in the same direction when I match them up, and you want your 2 patterns to be touching. So we're gonna pin them together like this, with the underside of the bandana showing. So they are all lined up, and now we're going to safety pin them together. So we're going to take a couple safety pins. You want to put them in the corners. Make sure that your lines are all matched up. So put it right in the corner, and then you're going to do one right in the middle as well, and then one in the other corner. Go all the way around your bandanas, putting safety pins 3 at a time across your bandanas. You want to make sure that you're leaving about a 1/4 inch gap between your safety pin and the top of the bandana so that we are able to sew them together. After you put safety pins all over the border of your bandanas, we're going to put a couple in the middle. It doesn't really matter where, it's just going to piece it together so while we sew it doesn't move. So just put 2 or 3 in the middle of your bandana to hold it together. After all of your safety pins are in your bandanas and you have some in the middle, we're going to start sewing. We're only going to be sewing 3.5 sides of the pillow so we have enough room to stuff it. So we're going to start sewing around the borders about a 1/4 inch from the top, and so all the way around. And like I said, we're only going to do 3.5. So when you get to your last side, only sew half. It's just going to be a running stitch all the way across about a 1/4 inch from the top of your bandana. This is one of my favorite projects because it allows me the freedom to redecorate my bedroom, my living room whenever I want, and make the pillows that I want, and I'm not stuck into designs that someone else has made. It's so much fun. When you've sewn around your bandanas 3.5 sides, see the side is still open, we can stuff it through here in this little hole. We're gonna actually sew over all of the stitches again to make sure that they stay and no stuffing comes out. So repeat all of your stitches all the way around your bandanas. Now that all of our stitches have been doubled up, it's time to remove all of your safety pins. So go around and take all of your safety pins out of your bandanas. Go to the side of your bandana that has the opening in it, and we're gonna stick our hand through and pull it inside out. So pull everything inside out so that your bright pattern is now on the outside, and we're just gonna push out those little corners just like that. So our pillow has corners. Now we have the basic form for our pillow, and now we get to stuff it. So we're going to take our pillow stuffing, oh my goodness, you probably don't need this much unless you're making a lot of pillows. That's why I got the industrial size, but it's better to have more than to have less, right? Take it by the handful and just start pushing it in there. And try to evenly disperse it throughout the pillow so you don't have any big lumps that stick out. Make sure it's going into the corners so every little bit is getting filled. You want to put a little bit more stuffing than you think you need, because it's going to squish down a little bit. Once your pillow is sufficiently filled, we're going to close it up. Fold the sides of the pillow that's open down so it matches the crease where the stitches were. So we're going to fold it over and then sew it closed. I'm gonna hold it and pinch it while I get my first stitch going. Then I'm going to pull this up and fold my bandanas in so they make a nice crease. Keep folding it in and sewing up. As you get to the corner, make sure you close it off and do a nice knot at the top. Just for good measure, I'm actually gonna sew over those stitches again just to make sure none of our pillow fluff comes out when we use it. When your final stitches are done closing up the hole on the pillow, that's it. You're done. You now have your own decorative pillow that you designed, that you created, and they're so squishy and soft. I actually use these almost every day on my couch. I love them. Have fun making different designs, different sizes. It's totally up to you. Enjoy. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video learning my home decor hack and how to make cheap decorative pillows. If you did, don't forget to click the subscribe button so you'll be first to know when new Steffi D Creates videos come out. Follow me on social media at Steffi D Creates to stay up to date with behind the scenes information and upcoming projects. As always, full instructions are on my blog, steffidcreates.com, and I can't wait to see what you guys make, what designs you make, what patterns you find. Send me pictures if you make these pillows. I am so excited. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.